All right, guys, here we have another day on Round Prairie Creek Farm, and today's actually feeding day for the cows. We do that maybe once every 4 days, and we got to get out the big dog for this one. So we've got the spear on the front. Woo. The best sticker. We love this one. Beef is the new kale. Alright, so while the tractor's warming up, because you don't want to take it out cold, let's give the chickens a little snack. They're kind of depressed because there's no bugs outside to eat, so we made some popcorn. We don't usually feed them corn in our feed, but today's a special day. They love it. Hello, Kentucky. Ken and his girls. Oh, they're happy. And this is Mao. He's our barn kitty. Hey, Mao. Oh, yes. He's a good boy. He just came out of the barn. That's where he lives. And it looks like he's starting the excavator. So this is where we store some of our hay. We don't have enough room for all of it for the whole winter. So we'll show you where the rest of it is here shortly. All right, tractor's warm. And we're gonna go over to our other stash that we just tarp until it's gone, and then we go to hit the stuff in the barn. That way we have enough hay for the whole winter for the cows and horses. And there's our outside stash. And Scott does all the haying all summer, so we can stockpile through the winter. But it makes for amazing meat. We are all grass-fed, didn't spray any chemicals on the hay, and we do not grain our cows. And he got it! Yay! Let's move over here. It's nice, the sun's popping out for a little while. Here we go. Cows are getting excited. Oh yeah. Oh, they see what's coming. They see it. Yeah, they always do this. Get the bale twine off, that is. Hi, guys. We got some babies, small ones. They got their winter fur on. All right. I know this is boring stuff. There's more. These guys get butted out of the way in the feeder from the big guys, so he usually gives them a little bit. Hey there, Big Mama. Gonna have to move. Get on out of there. Getting rowdy on me. There's our bull. He's a big one. Hey, buddy. We call him Moto. Moto. And this feeder is a special one. We've bought round feeders. They've collapsed. Cows are pretty rough on them, so Scott ended up making this one himself and beefed it up really good. So far they haven't broken it. All right, I think he's going back for another bale. Hey there, little guy. Hey there, little guy. No, you don't want it. He's shy. Camera shy cow. Oh well. Happy cows. Get it? Okay. Hi, mamas. Looks like that one's staring him down, waiting for the next load. if we can get a close up. This is my orchard. And we pick lots of apples and make apple juice, plums, have a couple cherry trees. All right, guys. Oh boy. You're a little scared, huh? We also get a lot of visitors in the winter. We've had up to 40 herd of elk in here eating out of the hay trough with the cows. They don't seem to mind sharing. We also get deer pop in here and eat some leftovers, but usually not till they can't find food elsewhere, and then they come in here in the hard cold winters here in North Idaho. All right, second bale. So once every 4 to 5 days we feed them. So that makes it nice. We don't have to start the tractor up every day. We used to do the small square bales, but those were horribly difficult to have to buck hay in the summer and then store it. The up to 100-pound bales was not fun. So we went to the round bale. One person can do it easily. So much better on your back too. All right, looks like we're done feeding the cows today.